In this example, your task is to choose the figure that most simply and logically comes next in the series, choosing from options A to E. We can start by taking a closer look at figure 1. The key to solving this problem is realizing there are actually 3 stars on the bottom of figure 1. Consider these 3 coasters. We can clearly see the 3 coasters. However, if we were to place one on top of another, it would appear like there is only one. The same thing is happening to these 3 stars in figure 1. There are 3 stars, one on top of another. These stars are going to move in an anti-clockwise direction, but they will not all move through the same distance. For clarity, we will color code the stars. We will call one of the stars red, one of the stars green, and one of the stars blue. The red star will always move one space anti-clockwise. The green star will always move 2 spaces anti-clockwise. And the blue star will always move 3 spaces anti-clockwise. Initially, all 3 stars appear on the bottom, like they are in figure 1. We will see what happens between figure 1 and figure 2. The blue star will move 3 spaces anti-clockwise. The green star will move 2 spaces anti-clockwise. The red star will move 1 space anti-clockwise. Now the stars are laid out in the same arrangement as they are in figure 2. Now let's examine what happens between figure 2 and figure 3. The blue star will move 3 spaces anti-clockwise. The green star will move 2 spaces anti-clockwise. The red star will move 1 space anti-clockwise. Now the stars are laid out in the same arrangement as they are in figure 3. Now let's see what happens between figure 3 and figure 4. The blue star will move 3 spaces anti-clockwise. The green star will move 2 spaces anti-clockwise. The red star will move 1 space anti-clockwise. So now the stars are laid out in the same arrangement as figure 4. Let's see what happens between figure 4 and the solution. The blue star will move 3 spaces anti-clockwise. The green star will move 2 spaces anti-clockwise. The red star will move 1 space anti-clockwise to appear in the top. We can see that the blue star is already at the top. The red will also be at the top. So it will appear like there is only 1 star at the top of the solution, when in fact there will be 2, one on top of the other. This leaves us with possible solutions B and D. Next we will take a look at the inside circle, paying particular attention to the shaded quadrant. Between figure 1 and figure 2, the shaded quadrant moves in an anti-clockwise direction by 1 space. Between figure 2 and figure 3, it moves 2 spaces anti-clockwise. Between figure 3 and figure 4, it moves 3 spaces anti-clockwise. And between 4 and the solution, we will expect to move 4 spaces anti-clockwise. So it appears like it hasn't moved at all, but in reality, it has moved all the way around the circle to be back on the top left. This leaves us only with solution D.